Welcome to our showroom today. I'll be showing you a wide range of quality electronic products ranging from television with amazing picture quality and good sound system to very powerful air conditioners and very durable washing machines to very affordable kitchen appliances and many more. Let's get started today. This is a 10.5 Hisense side load washing machine. It is big, it is smart, it is an inverter washing machine, and it's also energy saving. Okay, we also have the 8 kg inverter side load washing machine. It is highly recommendable. Just like I said earlier, you can use it for industrial purposes and you can also use it for your personal purposes. It is built to last, built with good quality materials, good steel, recommended for every home. This is a 7.5 top load Hisense washing machine. It's also a twin tube washing machine. It is highly durable. It is built to last. We also have the washing compartment. See how wide it is. It can be used both for your private washing and your industrial washing. Highly recommendable. This is the 11 kg top load washing machine. So see the washing compartment. It can carry up to your 11 kg worth of clothes. You can use it for your industrial purposes and you can also use it for your personal purposes. This is highly recommendable and I hope to see you shop from us very soon. We are located at Suites 2 and 3 3SK Plaza, Ladoke Akintola Boulevard, directly opposite the Pizza Hut, not too far from the old market, Garki, Abuja. We are at the center of Garki, at the center of Abuja. Hope to see you at our DM, hope to see you in our messages, hope to see you at our space, hope to see you shop from us. Thank you and have a wonderful time.